In this video, let's talk about a simple interior pad that can dramatically increase the way you clean your interiors. And before we get started with the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone that reached out to me asking if I'm okay, if there's anything that they can do, praying for me and my family, all that. I really do appreciate it. It's very nice to know that they're, I have a community that generally is caring for me and stuff. So I do really appreciate that. Everything is fine with us. Lex is fine, my family's fine, his family's fine. So I really do appreciate everyone that did send some nice, kind words to us. So I really do appreciate that. And then second, today, this Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Central Time, I'll be reviewing your websites and giving you feedback on SEO. So if you want to join us live, you have to request access to the Facebook group. Just check down below in the description box. Again, today, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. Central Time, I will be reviewing your websites and giving you feedback on your SEO. So let's take it back to the video. So right now we have a full interior cleaning going on behind me. The interior is pretty bad. Now, the main focus of this one is how do you increase the efficiency in cleaning the plastic panels in the interior. So door panels, dashboard, the ABC pillars, the plastic part, anything plastic, how do you speed up that process? Now, for the longest now, oh, did I just move the camera? For the longest now, a lot of us have always resorted to these types of brushes. These are work stuff brushes. These are Detail Factory brushes. You can find all the links down below. Don't worry about the names. Just check the description box for the links to the products. But as of recently, I made a video not too long ago, but I want to make another one, is that we have switched all these brushes to primarily this one pad. Now, we also have another similar one like this that we use primarily more for leather, large surface leather areas. But for the most part, when it comes to door panels, ABC pillars, dashboards, any plastic pieces, we resort to this one first, and it increases the cleaning so much compared to any type of brush. Now, the same way I say that you need pump sprayers over spray bottles, I'll make the same statement for this. On plastic panels, you need to use this type of a similar pad to this versus a brush. Doing this motion here with the bristles, kind of flattening on the surface and trying to get all the surfaces, especially when it's dirty and you're trying to clean it with these soft bristle brushes, versus just using this pad, putting light pressure down and agitating, is a world's difference. For instance, look at the difference between using a brush and pad on this door panel. Now, this isn't the only pad that we use. We still use, as I said, the various brushes. We still use the steamer. We still use the air compressor. But for the large portions of whatever plastic that we're cleaning, we'll use this pad. Like for instance, here on the kick panel part, we still use the brushes because the areas were so thin. But on the B pillars, the C pillars, we use the pad. So obviously, you still have to apply it to where it's most needed. Just because this one tool works on the large areas, you don't have to use it everywhere, right? So we use it where it's applicable, but for the most part, it's for the large surface areas. You can also use it for the leather seats, but like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we use the bigger pad because it just covers more real estate. So those two things, primarily the smaller one, but those two types of pads completely shadow the brushes, especially that bigger pad. On leather seats, we just fly through leather seats now. We don't do any brush action anymore. We don't use that yellow brush, that bigger one. Again, all links will be down below. And we just fly through leather seats now. Now we actually have about 4 of those packs. They do get worn down over time, so I would order like a pack of some just because they're relatively cheap. So even if you purchase 2, 3, 4, it's not going to break the bank. But so we have about like 4 on hand at all times, so we really do use them. And for those that are asking, the cleaner that we're using here is just super clean, all-purpose cleaner, diluted 10-to-1, nothing bigger there. Any all-purpose cleaner that you use will work. All right, and I'm gonna end the video right here. Not much to really say. Don't want to drag this out to a 10-minute video. It's pretty straightforward. All the links will be down below. And also on Monday, today, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. Central Time, I'll be reviewing your websites and giving you feedback on your SEO inside the Facebook group. So if you want to access that, click the link below, request access, and we'll have training this Monday, today, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. Central Time for about an hour-ish. So check that down below. Leave any comments, questions, concerns, and I'll see you on the next video.
That? Yeah. I think leg is kind of booty her because we didn't do the extraction.